Hello friends, by the end of this video, you will know exactly which machines to buy for setting up a puffed rice business factory and more importantly, how to upgrade your factory when you want to expand your business. This video is a must-watch for anyone looking to set up a puffed rice business. When starting a puffed rice business, it's best to have a factory that can produce 1000 kilograms of puffed rice per day. If you start with less, you'll likely need to upgrade your machines within 6 to 12 months. Starting with more can lead to unused capacity for a long time. Economically, it's wise to begin with a capacity of 1000 kilograms per day, for an 8-hour workday. Later, as your business grows, you have two options. If a 16-hour workday is not possible, upgrade directly to 3000 kilograms per day after 2 to 3 years. If you can work 16 hours, first increase to 2000 kilograms per day by working 2 shifts a day. Once you're fully utilizing the 2000 kilograms per day capacity, and then consider upgrading to 3000 kilograms per day. Now, let's delve deeper into the exact machines you need. When starting a puffed rice medium-sized business with a factory capacity of 1000 kgs per day, you'll need several types of machinery. For processing, you will need a pre-cleaning machine, a machine used to remove dust, straw, stones, and other impurities from paddy seeds before it is processed further. The capacity of 300 kgs per hour. The machine costing around 1,50,000 rupees. Then you will need water heating steamer, used to steam paddy seeds to soften it, preparing it for the puffing process, which will cost about 35,000 rupees. And also, you need water cement tank. It is used to soak paddy seeds in hot water, which will cost around 5,000 rupees. Then you will need puffed rice roasting machine, is a device that first steams paddy seeds and then roasts it. This process enhances the puffed rice flavor and texture, making it suitable for cereals. The capacity of roasting machine should be 300 kilograms per hour, costing around 1,50,000 rupees. Then you will need puffed rice the huller machine. This machine is used to remove the outer husks from paddy seeds grains. It works by using rollers to crack the husks without damaging the paddy rice kernels. Ideally with a capacity of 300 kgs per hour, which should cost around 1,15,000 rupees. Additionally, you should have a puffed rice roasting machine. The machine is used to heat and puff up paddy seeds. It works by quickly heating the paddy seeds until it expands, creating light and airy puffed rice. The capacity of a puffed rice roasting machine should be 2 tons per day, costing around 2 lakhs rupees. You will also need a weighing machine. It is useful for weighing puffed rice kilograms wise. Weighing machine costing around 5,000 rupees. Then packing machine is required for packaging of puffed rice, possibly including feature like airtight sealing, costing around 10,000 rupees. Do subscribe to Vyapar Coach channel. All the best.